So what's up, y'all? You know what it do. I am back with another video. Know what the fuck is going motherfucking on?
Turn the lights on. One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
I'm telling you, you didn't think you needed. Yeah, you didn't think you needed this one. But, oh, yeah, but you're going to need this one. Yeah, this Vice unit number 9 right here. Oh, yeah, she's popping. Yes. Girl, trying to tell you. Pop nonstop. This is like day 3 of me wearing her. So, I'm about to take it off. Show you what it looked like afterwards. Like, real life, real time. Okay? But first, let me get into the deets of the wig. So, this is the Vice unit number 9. I got it in the balayage gold. We all know I love my balayage gold or balayage, or I think that's how you pronounce it. But whatever. So, Vice HD lace wig by Sensationnel. Y'all know I love my Sensationnel. Yes, I certainly do. Okay, and HD lace pre-plucked hairline. Baby hair. It did come with baby hair. I always push it back though. I'm gonna try some baby hair one day, but I normally push it back for the natural look. As you can see right here, it has a T part, but it actually does have like a little bit of room for you to get some plucking in if you want to. It's not a lot, but it does give you the option. It says it's very, very easy maintenance. When I tell you easy maintenance, super easy maintenance. All you got to do is use conditioner and water in a spray bottle. And she pretty much detangled. Earlier, I did some other methods so that it wouldn't tangle as much. But yes, pop in. It doesn't really say how long it is. I'll say it's about 30 inches though, because I'll show you it goes like to the bottom of my back, above my hip. You know what I mean? It says ear to ear. It definitely is. It said hand tied parting. The parting is popping. And normally when it's hand tied, that's what it looks like. So I can honestly say that I can tell the difference. It comes in a bunch of different colors. And this is what your stock card is looking like. So yes, pop it. I promise. Look, I want to show y'all. Before I even take it off, look at the lace though. Just waking up, okay? I'm literally just waking up. It is like 9:30 where I'm at on Saturday morning. Like, real deal. This is, I just hopped out the bed. Like, for real. Look. It's not tangly. I mean, you can't run your fingers all the way through it, but look how easy it like just comes apart. Popping. It is not giving me a lot of issues or a lot of problems. I didn't even put conditioner or anything in it yet. And this is what she's giving. Okay, hair is super soft, like super duper soft. The lace was easy to deal with. The hair is manageable. I don't feel any tracks or anything like that. Like with most, normally I have to dig in there literally to feel tracks. I'm not feeling no tracks. Not feeling no tracks. And if you tell me you can see my lace, you're lying. Okay? Yes, the install was very simple. I did install a cap this time because I wanted it. I knew I wanted to keep it on a long time, or at least for about 5 days. Like I said, this is 3. Popping still. I don't have, now I do have shedding when I do decide to put a wide tooth comb through it, but that's only when I want to wear it wet. When it's dry, this is what it looks like. Look at the parting I did not define it with anything, I promise. All I did was go ahead and use my foundation on my cap. That was darker than what I normally wear. And yes, I promise, this joint right here, for her price point, pop it. EBONYLINE, thank you for getting her to me 5 days. So yes, popping. Let me mention one thing. It is small head friendly, medium head friendly. So about, I'll say 22 to about 23, because I'm a 22 and it's tight in my head. I didn't have to use any of the adjustable bands or anything, or even any of the combs. I actually took the combs out. So, and she on there. Oh, and that sensitive skin glue, honey. I ain't got no itching around my edges, ain't no irritation, ain't no nothing. So I'm gonna do a review on that glue. I'm gonna let y'all know, but this is what she do. Check me out again. I'm gonna have another video for you real soon. Like, go and get her. I will post the link below. Peace, y'all. See you later.